So children, we are starting with exercise 1.2. First main states that find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization method, which we are already used to. So these are the questions we should solve one by one. First is question 64. First number is 64. So I'll start with table 2 since 4 is there in the units place. Since this prime factorization is which we have already solved many times and you are learning from lower class children, I'll be a bit fast since it is the most repeated one. So 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. If you multiply 2, you get 64. So it can be written as the product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, where I wrote 2 6 times. So group these these 3 2's and these 3 2's. So it is nothing but 2 cube into 2 cube. Therefore, cube root of 64 is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So here you will write cube root of 64 is equal to 4, children. After writing the cube, how to directly write 2 cube as 2, 2 cube as 2, I already explained you. So please rewind the video and watch if you have not understood. Next 512. Since 2 is there in the units place, I again start with table 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder, 2 5s are 10, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 remaining, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times we got 2. So 512 is equal to 2, you should write 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 times. After multiplying 2 9 times, what we should do? Group them. More 2 na group ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3 now. So these 3 2's to get written as 2 cube into 1 2 3. Again next pair has 2 cube, last pair as 2 cube. So cube root of 512 will be, children, it is just the product of 2 into 2 into 2, which is clearly 8. Therefore cube root of 512 is 8. You should solve. Next is 10648. Since I have again 8 in units place, I'll start with table 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. Look, I got 1 in the units place. When I got 1, children, I cannot do with, can I try with table 3 if you want? Okay, we will try, I'm sorry. 3 4s are 12 andre 1 remainder. 13 aaytu. Again 3 4s are 12, if I do 1 remaining. Is 11 divisible by 3? No. So children, when that is the case, I will try with table 11. 11 1s are 11 andre 2 remaining. 23 aaytu. 11 2s are 22 andre 1 remainder. Again I got 11 1s are 11. It got divided easily, isn't it? Now we know 121 is a perfect square of 11. So 11 11s are 121. 11 1s are 11. Ashte. So easy. So you should get the hint of which table you should start by concentrating on the number in the units place. Please keep it in mind. 1 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ by 11 you will go. 9 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 or 7 you should check. Why 7 7s are 49. 9 ಬರೋ chances ಇದೆ. Like that, by trial and error you should do it faster way, children. You should not spend more time here. Now what is 10648 is equal to andre? It is equal to 2 into 2, that is multiply 2 3 times and 11 3 times. When you do so, you get 10648. It seems. Look how big number, 10,648 cube root, you know. Again, as I said you previously, you can have fun with your sisters and brothers. You just ask them, give me any number, maybe in 10,000 lakhs also. I will find you what is its cube root in a minute, you can say. How? Do with prime factorization method, children. Once you do with prime factorization method, group 3 numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 cube, 11 into 11 into 11 is 11 cube. So cube root of 10,648 is 2 into 11 simply, which is equal to 22. So cube root of 10648 is 22. Like this you should do, children. Next number is 15625. Already we have done for this number in example problem or somewhere else, I think. No problem, once again we'll do. Unit place al 5 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು 5 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 5 3s are 50, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 remaining, 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. We know 25 is a perfect square of 5 into 5, 5 1s are 5. So we get 15625 by multiplying 5 6 times. So 15625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 6 times we got 5. Group first 3 5, second 3 group. Our cube root of 15625 will be equal to 5 cube into 5 cube. So cube root of 15625, 156 only I missed, 625 is 5 cube is 5, again 5 cube can be written as 5. So product, its product, 5 5s are 25. So cube root of 25 is 1. Cube root of 15625 is 25. Cube of 25 is 15625. But cube root of 15625 is 25. Note the difference. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಂತ. Cube of 25 ಏನು 15625. Cube root of 15625 ಏನು 25. Note the difference. Okay. Next number 13824. I think I have less space here to do. 13824. ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Since I'll be telling it loudly, you can make it out, I hope, children. 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 2, 3s are 2, 2s are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are 2, 6s are 2, 1s are 2, 0 8s are. Why 108? I already explained you. I will continue here only. 2 4s are, sorry, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Such a big tail we got. 13824 children. Up to here you know 108 bantu, 54, 27 bantu. 27 bantu kudle I know cube root of 27 is 3. So 3 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3. Andre children, you get 1 lakh. See, you should feel proud of yourself. Why? You are finding out the cube root of 1 lakh. Sorry, 13,824 children. I thought it is 1 lakh. So what is cube root of 13,824? Andre easily you can say you get 13,824 by multiplying 2, 1 2 3. By multiplying 2 9 times and 3 times, you will get 13,824. Wow, how easily you can say, no children? Say thanks to this prime factorization method. Now, so children, since I have less space, I already written many times this 5 into 5 into and 2 into 2 into bariyala. It is because there is no place. Directly I will do grouping here. First 3 2s is 2 cube. Next pair of 3 2s is 2 cube. Into next pair of 3 2s is 2 cube. Into lastly one pair of 3 cube is this. So 3 cube. So now what you get? Cube root of 13,824 is equal to 2 cube is 2, again second 2 cube is 2, third 2 cube is 2 and last 3 cube is 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24 andre children. So what is square root of 13,824? It is simply 24. So easily you can do, isn't it children? So next what I do is I should do for ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Finally, we are finding the cube root of 1,10,592. For that, what I do is this part's problems, this problem's the simplification part I will erase from here. I need space for this problem now. So now children, we will do the prime factorization method for 1,10,592. Since 2 is there in the units place, obviously I start with table 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 8s are 16, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. I got 864, but here no problem for me to continue. I will do it here. Well, be careful when you take down in your classwork. I am doing that continuation here. Since 4 is there, again I will do with table 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 0. Why? Because I am taking 16 together andre 108. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 27 bantu andre blindly 3 cube is 27. That ends the problem. Now we should count the number of 2s. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 2s we got children. So instead of simply writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 12 times children, I will group 2s like as I did in this problem. These 3 2s together as one set of 2 cube into these 3 2s again as second set of 2 cube into 1 and these 2 as the third set of 2 cube into these last 3 2's group of 2 cube 2 as 2 cube and lastly 3 cube. I will write directly, okay na? 2 into 2 into 2 alla new bariri. So 2 cube is 2, 2 cube is 2, 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 3. It will become. Now multiply all this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 64. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 the cube root of 48 is the answer. So we have now found out what is the cube root of 1,10,592 and it is equal to 48. So nice. So this is how you should solve children. Next last 2 problems I will be solving for you. 10th one I think you can do. It is very easy. I have solved almost all the problems for you children. Now again for 46,656 we have to find the cube root. Since 6 is there in the unit place, I start with table 2. 3s are 3s are 2s are 8s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 12. Again 1 remaining. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 1 remaining. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. So 729 we got. We already know 729 is perfect cube of 9, isn't it children? So hope you can know the answer now. How many times we should get 3? We will check. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again I go with table 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are, oh I'm sorry. I will clean this part, children, because I need more space. Again while doing next problem I will clean that part. Hope you will follow. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So this big simplification of prime factorization we got. Now let me check how many 2s I got. See, 3 3 2s na pair ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. 1 2 3, again 1 2 3, next again 3 start ಆಯ್ತು. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So finally I got one set of 2 cube into second set of 2 cube into third set is 3 cube, and again one more set of 3 cube. Therefore children, cube root of 46656 is simply 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Athva hingaro madi, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Either way you do, the product remains the same. So cube root of 46,656 is 36. That is how we will solve, children. Next, ninth problem is again it is 1,75,616. So this part's last 3 cube part I will be erasing, children. Since you can rewind the video, it is benefit for you. Please go through it. I have no space on the board. 175,616. If I write, I'll start with table 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14, 1 remaining, 2 8s are 16. Again 16 together I should take. So 0 and 8 I should put. 8 7 sorry 808 baratte. Next again 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 0 as it is, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 9s are 18, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining, 2 9s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2. We got 686. Again I'll start with table 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now children, I have cleaned this 7th problem because I have no space. You can rewind the video and watch if you want to go through it again. Now since I have 3 in the unit place, blindly I cannot start with table 3. Check if you want. 3 1s are 3 na, matte 4 ide. 3 1s are 3 na, 1 remainder. 13 is it divisible by 3? No, you cannot. So next possibility 4 I cannot go by. We have odd number in the units place. 5 check madla, waste. Yake unit place is 3, then it is not at all divisible by 3. None of the multiples of 5 ends with 3. So next possibility 6 beta. We will go with 7, children. Why 6 beta? Because again the multiples of 6, if you check in unit place, it does not have 3. So I will check with table 7. Now 7 5s are 35 agogutte. So 7 4s are 28. If I take 7 4s are 28 andre, children, 34 minus 28 when you do, you get remainder 6. Andre 63 bantu, it is divisible. 7 9s are 63. Look, now we got 49. 49 is a perfect square, isn't it? 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are is 7. So we got the factors now. Let us group. First 3 2s are, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು pair of 3 2s. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ. Another pair of 3 2s and last pair is 3 numbers 7. 3 times we got. Therefore children, cube root of 1,75,616 is equal to 2 cube. ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇರ್, ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಪೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 2 cube into 2 cube, lastly into 7 cube. So last step will be cube root of 1,75,616 is simply 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are how much is 56, correct? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 6, 8 7s are 56. So cube root of 1,75,616 is clearly 56. So like this you should find out the square root of, cube root of any given number. And after 9th children, you have one more 10th problem, that is 91125. You please take it as homework. I have solved all the 9 problems. One problem you should do it as homework. It is very simple as well. That completes the first main by to find the cube root of a number by prime factorization method, which we solved now.